Hello बच्चों, I have made this blueprint for this year's CBSE board social science question paper, and I have made this on the basis of these two question papers which were provided by CBSE on their official website. They have given this sample question paper. It is its marking scheme, and there is this practice question paper. This is also I have downloaded from CBSE's website, official website, and on the basis of these two question papers, I have made this blueprint because in both the chapters, for example, history's 5-mark question was from this chapter only. Geography's 5-mark question was from chapter 6, manufacturing industries, and political science 5 marks question was from chapter 3, political parties. So this way there is a pattern. In both the question paper, there is a pattern for questions, right? And for 1 marker, for example, they have asked 2 questions from print culture chapter. They have not asked any 5 marker from this chapter. No 3 marker is asked in both the question papers. And in both the question papers, case-based study is from chapter number 4 of history, though there is a slight difference. In one paper, there is a paragraph, and in another sample, there is picture-based question, but it is as a case study only. It is of 4 marks, right? And when it comes to geography, the case-based study is asked from, in one question paper, it is asked from chapter 3, water resources. In other, it is asked from chapter 4, agriculture. That is why I have highlighted it with this color here, so that you go to your examination keeping this in mind, that question can be from both any of these chapters. Okay, and then comes political science. In political science, first of all, political science and economics, these two are carrying more weightage for MCQs. Since history and geography, they will have some questions, map based questions, so marks are distributed for map work also. Here there is no map work, so for both of these, MCQs only will be asked in place of map part. Okay, now you see in both the question papers, when it comes to 3 marker, it is from this chapter. It is asked from this chapter, outcomes of democracy, and power sharing chapter is carrying this case based question. Okay, that paragraph that which comes in the question paper. Okay, then we'll come to economics. For economics, money and credit chapter will be there for 5 marks question, and when it comes to MCQs, most of the MCQs are asked from 1st and 4th chapter. Okay, and sectors of Indian economy, this chapter is carrying weightage for 2 marks, for 3 marks. Now you'll say, why is it important to understand 1 mark question, and then which chapter is important for 4 mark question? Beta, see, your exam is very near. This is very crucial time. It's very important to focus on the important things only, so that in minimum time you can score maximum. Okay, if you focus on your study, even now you have a chance to score very good marks, because we already know which chapter we have to study for more marks, right? And particularly in history, children have this anxiety that picture based questions are being asked. So now we are very clear that picture based questions can be asked from chapter 1, 2 maybe, and since there is no 1 marker asked from these 2 chapters, that means for 1 marker we don't have to bother for pictures of these 2 chapters, right? Although in this chapter, age of industrialization, picture based question is asked as case study. Okay, but that is also very easy. Remember, if there is a picture given in place of case study, that means a lot of text part will be asked. for which picture is just a reference. Okay, all right. So I hope it must have helped you to understand your syllabus, or we can say to understand what kind of question paper, what kind of questions will be there in the question paper, distribution of marks. And I'm very much sure that it will help you in your preparation. And if you like this video, then please do like and share with your friends so that they also get benefited by this information. And to learn more, do visit my channel, watch the other videos.